What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the perfect package to add to your motorcycle for those long haul trips. First up, we have the Sundowner Touring Seat. This seat provides the maximum in long riding comfort. The deep bucket design puts your body in the proper touring position, and the generous padding makes it comfortable for both the rider and the passenger as the miles add up. Next, we have the mid-frame Air Deflector. This fits perfectly between your touring motorcycle frame and side panels to direct engine heat away from the rider and improve comfort on hot summer rides. Here we have the Detachables Tour-Pak mounting rack and the 4-point docking hardware kit. Add this mounting rack to the back of your bike to safely carry your luggage on those long trips. The docking hardware kit allows you to attach the rack securely. Next, we have the heel shifter. Eliminate the need to wedge your toe under the lever and reduce wear and tear to the front of your riding shoe. Easily upshift with a downward tap of your heel. This next product is the Vehicle Hold Control Upgrade Kit. This kit enables the Vehicle Hold Control feature, which applies and holds brake pressure when activated and prevents the motorcycle from rolling after the rider has released the brake controls. And finally, make sure your passenger can maintain optimal comfortability with the Streamliner passenger footboard and mount kit. This package is available in both black and chrome, so there's a color scheme to match your motorcycle. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.